In Washington state, Governor Inslee says that he has a new tool in the fight against COVID-19. The state launched an app today that will notify you if you've been exposed.
And our Jenny Young is live on this story tonight, and we turn to Jenny. So I know, of course, people are concerned about their safety. And so what have you learned about that?
Okay, Jeff, Elizabeth. Governor Inslee says privacy is paramount in this. We know that the technology is privacy technology that was developed by Google and Apple. Governor Inslee says they didn't make this decision lightly. Okay, by 2:30 this afternoon, more than 200,000 people had signed up to use this.
It's important for people to have confidence in this system.
Governor Jay Inslee speaking at a news conference Monday, saying the state's new COVID notification system called WA Notify is secure, private, and anonymous, and the decision to use it wasn't taken lightly.
The state chose to pursue this technology after we convened an oversight group of security and civil liberties experts and community members to review the program with Apple and Google.
WA Notify is free to everyone in the state, and we found out you can opt out at any time. For iPhones, simply turn on exposure notifications in settings. And for Android users, you can download the app from the Google Play Store.
When two people using WA Notify are near each other, their phones exchange random codes using Bluetooth technology. That means this is anonymous, and it does not involve location tracking.
Users who test positive for COVID-19 will be given a verification code from public health. That person can then enter it into WA Notify, which will then send anonymous notifications to users who've been around that person in the last 14 days.
Notifications contain links to information about what to do next to protect yourself or others. This allows more people to get the testing and care they need quickly.
The University of Washington led the pilot program where more than 3,500 people, including students, faculty, and staff, used the technology for a month. The state health secretary says data shows it will be effective in slowing the spread.
The modeling studies suggest that if 15% of the users, of those folks with smartphones actually use these, that we could see infections decrease by 11% and deaths by 15%.
Again, Apple and Google saying that it's not supposed to collect your data, personal data, or reveal your location. This is the same technology that's being used in more than 24 states right now. So OHA and OSU have teamed up to work on the technology to do the pilot program. That pilot program started on November 12th. We're told it will go until the end of 2020, and then OHA has to review the effectiveness of this, and we're told that the earliest that this could be rolled out in Oregon is early next year. Reporting live tonight, Jenny Young, KOIN 6 News.